Imagine a silent battlefield unfolding not on land, but across the infinite expanse of space. This is the realm of satellite constellations, networks of multiple satellites working together, orbiting Earth with precision and purpose. These constellations can serve diverse needs from global communications and surveillance to navigation and environmental monitoring. Picture the night sky, dotted not just with stars but with organized formations of human-made satellites, racing across their orbital pathways. The origins of satellite constellations date back to the early 1990s, when the necessity for global connectivity pushed technological frontiers. Large figures like 66 satellites for Iridium or 24 for GPS underscore the scale of these endeavors. For example, the GPS constellation, initiated by the U.S. Department of Defense, revolutionized navigation across the globe. It offered pinpoint accuracy previously unimaginable, guiding everything from your morning commute to military operations. Strategic value of these constellations cannot be overstated. They are the unseen backbone of modern military communications, real-time reconnaissance, and missile guidance systems. Picture the Earth below, with every movement and communication traced and analyzed by these silent sentinels. Satellite data was pivotal during the Gulf War, providing real-time imagery and communication that directly influenced the conflict's outcome. The resolution of these images is so fine that troops on the ground can use them to identify vehicles and positions. Private companies are now major players in this cosmic theater. Elon Musk's SpaceX, with its ambitious Starlink project, aims to deploy up to 42,000 satellites to provide global internet coverage. Imagine a continuous web of satellites enveloping the Earth, beaming internet services to the remotest corners of the planet. Each satellite, a node in an intricate network, forms a mega constellation operating like a colossal machine, vying for control of the ultimate high ground. However, this proliferation of satellites in space brings its own challenges. Orbital congestion becomes a pressing issue. Imagine traffic jams not on roads but in low Earth orbit. With each satellite launch, the risk of collisions increases, leading to a cascading effect known as Kessler syndrome, a scenario where debris from one collision causes further collisions, potentially crippling future space missions. Data projections warn of these escalating risks, suggesting the necessity for stringent space traffic management protocols. Security and warfare in space are also frontier issues. As more nations and private entities deploy satellites, the potential for conflict extends to these orbital realms. The idea of space as a peaceful domain is being challenged. Nations are actively developing anti-satellite weapons. Picture a satellite targeted and disabled by a kinetic kill vehicle or laser, transforming space into an active combat zone. This new battleground underscores why satellite constellations are crucial, yet double-edged assets in modern geopolitics. As we look to the future, satellite constellations will play an even more integral role in our lives. They will bridge the digital divide, monitor climate change, and revolutionize navigation, yet demand international cooperation to ensure their peaceful and sustainable use. Envision an era where space traffic is as regulated as air or sea travel, with satellites operating harmoniously, keeping conflicts at bay and fostering global connectivity and security. This battlefield in space is both a challenge and opportunity for humanity. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe.